Okay, last box. Done. Michael, are you sure this is the right address?
Yes, Anna, I'm sure. Of course, very confident. Maple Street. I checked.
You checked Google Maps
Yeah, I checked.
and it said this was the right place?
Hmm.
Michael,
Anna, I have a very good memory.
Dad, the GPS says turn left.
Emma, GPS makes mistakes.
Dad, GPS does not make mistakes.
I also do not make mistakes.
Dad, the camping trip.
That was different. We slept in the wrong forest. It was a shortcut. For 3 hours, Dad. Okay, fine. Emma, open GPS.
It says oh, we passed it. Turn around.
See? My memory was very close.
Close is not correct, Dad.
Close means almost. Almost is not right.
Okay. Here, 14 Maple Street. This is it.
it looks different.
Photos can be old, Anna.
The garden is very different.
Gardens change.
Dad, there is a dog.
We don't have a dog. Exactly.
Maybe the previous owners left it. It has a collar, Dad, and a name tag,
Bruno.
and this address.
Okay, let me just check inside. Quickly.
Michael, wait.
2 seconds. I just look.
Dad, no.
I just check. 2 seconds. This looks different inside also.
Different? How?
There are photos on the wall. We don't have these photos.
Michael, come out now.
Wait, this sofa. We don't have this sofa.
Mikhail.
Anna, our sofa is blue. This sofa is green. Oh no.
Oh no? Oh no, what?
Who are you? And why are you in my house? I am so sorry. I thought this was my house. Your house? This is my house. I know that now. I am leaving right now. You are sitting on my sofa. I was tired. We moved many boxes today. I don't care about your boxes. Get off my sofa.
I am off. I am off.
See? Standing. Fully standing.
Harold? Harold, what is happening?
Sandra, there is a man on our sofa. I am off, Sandra. I am so sorry. I thought this was my house. Your house? We are moving today. New house, but wrong address. Very sorry. Wait, did you say you are moving today? To Maple Street? Yes, 14 Maple Street. But clearly, this is your house. I am very sorry. Come here. Look at my door. 41. Dad read it backwards. 14 instead of 41. They look similar. They look nothing similar, Dad. In my memory, they do.
Michael, how?
Come inside, please.
I will make tea. Oh no, we cannot. We already disturbed you so much.
Nonsense. Moving day is stressful.
I will get the cups.
Sit down, please. But not on the green sofa. I will sit over here. Far.
Tea and cookies.
Oh, thank you so much.
So, which house is yours?
14 Maple Street.
14 Maple Street. That is our old house. Your old house?
You live at 14?
We lived there for 40 years.
Good years. Very good years.
I am truly sorry for everything today. Do not worry. It was actually a funny day.
I have never seen anyone sit so carefully on a sofa.
It is a very nice sofa. Very comfortable. Okay, I admit it. That was my mistake. Finally, he admits it. Come, I will show you your real house. 2 doors down. That is your house. This is it. This is our house.
It is beautiful.
Thank you.
Harold,
We will take very good care of it. I promise. I believe you. Welcome to Maple Street. Okay, family. This time, the right house.
Finally.
GPS was right. I am a little nervous.
nervous means a little scared.
This is the moment.
Dad, just open it, please.
We are finally home. Finally. That took all morning.
This is ours. We belong here. This is home.
We are in the right place
I am going to explore every room.
for my video. Not bad though. Our home. All that trouble was worth it.
It was very worth it. Michael,
Nice kitchen. I will cook here.
Dad, you burnt toast last week.
This room is mine.
Emma, that is master bedroom. She moves fast. Look! A bonus room.
Michael, that is a storage room.
For brooms. No furniture yet, but we are all together.
that is enough.
I like it here. Our home.
Dad, I have the sofa on video.
Send it to me immediately. Delete that. Harold, you came. A small gift for your new home.
Harold, this is so kind. Thank you. From our family.
Be happy here. That is all we ask. What an adventure. Today.
The wrong house was the right day.
So, what did we learn today?
Always use GPS.
GPS is good, but memory is also good.
Dad, we slept in the wrong forest.
The word today is embarrassed. Michael was very embarrassed today.
Embarrassed means you sat on someone's sofa and called it yours.
Look, I filmed everything. The whole adventure.
Does it show the sofa part? Yes, Dad, it does.
Anna, I am sorry for today. All of it.
I know. Our first thing in this home is something living.
Today was a little crazy.
A little. Only a little.
Very crazy.
Say hello
Hello. Hello.
to our new home
New home.
video.
Home.
Okay, let us recap. Today's words.
Michael, you did not. Word 1, embarrassed. Like Michael on the sofa. Word 2,
Nervous. Like Dad. With the key.
Word 3, belong. We belong here.
Word 4, worth it. Today was very worth it.
and word 5, finally. We are finally home.
Look at that. Our first sunset in our home.
Not bad for a wrong house day.
Best wrong house day ever.
Okay, family, what do you think of our home?
I love it already.
Come here, all of you. This is it. This is home. Anna, thank you
Thank you
for this family.
for the adventure. I will edit the video later, right now. I just want to be here.
Harold gave us something living for our home. Our first thing in this home is alive.
Empty room, full heart. Not bad for a Monday.
Tomorrow, the boxes arrive and the furniture. But tonight, we have this.
Hey, Dad.
Next time, use the GPS.
Please.
Deal. I promise.
The wrong house was the best day for our family.
I am ordering pizza.
Michael,
You do not know the address. I searched 14 Maple Street. Pizza.
Dad, that is Harold's address.
our address is 14 Maple Street. New address.
20 minutes, they said.
I will film the delivery.
Pizza is here. Finally. This
Is the best
pizza.
every time.
This is nice. All of us here. You know, wrong house, right family.
Best day. Best pizza. Best family.
To our new home
And our new neighbors.
and the sofa. That was very good. Pizza.
Everything tastes better in your own home. Time to sleep. First night in our home.
I packed these for tonight.
You planned this?
I always plan.
This is
Our first camp in our home.
It is called Sleeping on the Floor.
I cannot believe we are here. Finally home.
Finally. Do you think Harold is okay with us here?
Yes, he chose this house for us.
Hey, Dad. Good job today. Almost. Thank you.
Anna, thank you for everything.
Good night, family.
I am glad we got lost.
Me too.
Where are we?
Home. Michael.
Good morning.
New home,
And good morning.
empty fridge.
Tea first. Always.
I love you.
I know.
Anna, the cabinets are empty?
Michael, we just moved in. Tea is ready. Sit down, everyone.
Thank you. First morning tea in our kitchen.
Simple, but perfect.
Careful with the boxes, please.
Living room boxes. Go left.
That one there. Yes, perfect.
Kitchen boxes. To the kitchen, please.
Which room is this for?
It says bedroom on the label.
Dad, this box says kitchen. It goes in the kitchen.
Bedroom box. Going to bedroom
Dad, bedroom is.
the other way. Harold, Sandra, you came back. Moving day. Needs neighbors.
Fresh cookies I baked this morning.
Sandra, you are so kind.
Hello, neighbors. I am Mrs. Chen. I bring dumplings.
Dumplings, come in.
This is what neighbors do.
They show up.
Mrs. Chen, these are incredible.
My mother's recipe, 40 years old.
Harold, yesterday you were very kind. To a stranger, you were not. This house waited for you. Now it has a family again.
You like filming?
You can film.
My cooking class.
Really?
Every week?
Bruno! You came too.
Good dog.
Bruno.
We should go. Let you settle in.
Come visit us. Anytime.
Take care of each other and the house.
And the plant.
Good neighbors.
Good street. We chose well. This street.
The
Home.
Jeepos chose well.
Okay, family. Time to unpack. I know exactly.
Where everything goes.
Michael.
Today we learned new words from a very interesting day.
Word. Neighbor. Someone who lives near you on their sofa.
All the words we learned today. Nervous, embarrassed, worth it, finally.
I learned one more word. Home. Home means you.
Today we learned 6 new words. Nervous, embarrassed, finally, home.
Goodbye, Harold,
Thank you.
for everything. Take care.